want to play a fun game with me today? Welcome to Guess That Mystery Toy Sound. Can you use your super listening ears to guess which toy is making the sound? Listen closely and shout out your answer before time runs out. Let's play and have some fun. Listen closely. Here's your first mystery toy sound. Wow, what could that be? Is it A, a teddy bear, B, a toy rattle, C, a train? Think carefully. Shout out your answer. If you said a toy train, you got it. Woohoo! That was awesome. Let's try another one. Oh! Here comes the next sound. Listen closely. Is it A, a toy car, B, a bouncing ball, C, a spinning top? What do you think? Say your answer out loud. Zoom, zoom! It's a toy car! Great job, super listeners! Are you ready for another round? Let's go! Here comes the next sound. Listen closely. Is it A, a toy trash truck, B, a drum, C, a robot? This one sounds kind of techy. What do you think? Say your answer out loud. Beep boop! It's a robot toy. That was a tricky one. You're a listening champion. Here comes the next sound. Listen closely. Is it A, a rubber duck, B, toy vacuum, C, a tambourine? Oh, this one sounds musical. What do you think it is? Shout your answer. Jingle, jingle, it's a tambourine. Great listening, everyone. Hooray! Here comes the next sound. Is it A, a dinosaur, B, a squeaky toy, C, a toy fire truck? Oh, this one sounds fun! What do you think it is? Shout your answer. Squeak, squeak! It's a squeaky toy. Great listening, everyone. Yay! You are smart! Here comes the next sound. Listen closely. Is it A, a toy phone, B, a toy dog, C, a toy bowling set? Oh, this one sounds challenging. What do you think it is? Shout your answer. It's a toy bowling set. Great listening, everyone. You are superstars. Yippee! Here comes the next sound. Listen closely. Is it A, a toy car, B, a toy piano, C, a toy bouncing ball? Oh, this one sounds musical. What do you think it is? Shout your answer. It's a toy piano. Great listening, everyone. All right, detectives. Only a few more toys left before we get to the super-duper challenging one at the end. Do you think you have what it takes to make it to the end? Before we get there, let's listen carefully the next toy mystery sound. Is it A, a rattle, B, building blocks, C, a toy school bus? What could it be? It sounds like something a baby would love. Shout out your answer. It's a baby rattle. Great job listening to the clues, junior detectives. You are doing wonderful. I think you'll get this one fast. Listen and shout out your answer. Is it A, a violin, B, a baby doll, C, a toy fire truck? What do you think it is? Shout out your answer. Beep, beep. It's a fire truck. Great job listening. I told you that you'd get that last one fast. Great job. This is the last one before our super-duper challenging finale toy sound. Listen and shout out your answer. Is it A, a robot, B, a basketball, C, a toy airplane? What could it be? Shout out your answer. Dribble, dribble, swoosh. It's a basketball. Great job listening, friends. Hey, and now you have made it to our very special, super-duper challenging last mystery toy sound question. It's the final round. I'm so proud of you for making it this far. I want you to get very quiet and listen as closely as you can. I know how smart and brave you are, and I can't wait to hear you shout out the final answer to our kids' mystery toy sound guessing game. Let's go! Here it comes! Listen up! Is it A, a xylophone, B, a jack-in-the-box, or C, a toy train? Wow, that sounded really nice and peaceful. Did you guess it right away? The answer to the super-duper challenge question is a jack-in-the-box. That was exciting. You did it. Great job, everyone. Thanks for playing the Kids Mystery Toy Sound game. That was so much fun. I had the best time with you today. You are special, and I am so proud of you for trying something new today. I will be back with a new mystery sound game soon. What should we do next? animal sounds or sport sounds. Once again, my name is Rosie and I love making fun games for you. Bye-bye! See you next time! Be sure to like, subscribe, and join us next time for another fun surprise. Bye for now!